This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've opened your workbook and identified 2 cells with numbers. Now act. Click the destination cell for the result, type an equals sign, and click the first number cell. Add a plus sign, then click the second number cell. You do this to create a live calculation so changing inputs updates automatically. Once done, use Enter to commit the formula. This immediate approach saves time vs manual recalculation, and it establishes a clear formula that Excel can evaluate. Now extend the idea to multiple cells and faster methods. Type equals sum and drag over the range, for example A1, B10, then close the parenthesis. That tells Excel to add the whole group at once. Make sure to press Enter so the function evaluates. If you need the same pattern down rows, drag the fill handle or double-click it to copy formulas. Also, use absolute references with $ if one cell must stay fixed, because relative copies will shift addresses automatically. To finish, press Enter and then format the result cell so decimals or currency display correctly. Choose number or currency from the ribbon. If the cell shows the formula instead of a result, make sure the cell is not set to text. Change to general or number and remove any leading apostrophe. If a sum still won't calculate, click the formula, press F2, and press Enter to force re-evaluation. That quick check fixes most issues. If values remain wrong, verify each reference cell contains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.